Hey, Doc Martinez here. My daughter, HRH, in the house.
I'm here.
Yeah, and she's here to help me celebrate that I did my first barrel pick. Yay! So if you don't know, my first barrel pick was done with Whiskey Treat. Now, this is not the bottle, but this is the company, and it is honestly a great pour. Even if you look at this bottle, this is Nancy's Unworldly because Nancy Fraley actually works with them and she's their master blender. And to celebrate, I have HRH here to help me show some bottles that we're gonna be giving away. So if you buy one of my bottles, you'll have a chance to win this, but if you buy a bundle, you even have a bigger chance. But our first bottle on that list is gonna be Stagg, 25C, yep, Stagg 25C. Next on that list is Eagle Rare 12. But that's not the big one. The big one we have, the big surprise we have is Handy 2025, yep. So if you buy one of my bottles, you're gonna have 5 entries into being able to win one of these. But if you buy a bundle, that's one of each, you actually get 20 entries. Yep, 20 entries. Yeah, nice. Oh, I guess I should mention what bottles we did choose. I did a Calvados finished barrel and a Cognac finished barrel. So this is running until March 16th. Couldn't do it any sooner. Why? Because it's her birthday between then, so I won't be in town. But that gives you more time. Her birthday's helped you out, so turning 21 again has made it better for you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, exactly. So we're gonna run this. Start at March 6th till March 16th. We're gonna do a live when we do the bottle giveaway. So we're not just gonna kind of pop it up and do something in the background. No, you're gonna actually see it live when we give these bottles away. So HRH, what do you think about these bottles?
I think there's some awesome picks, but his bottles that he had as his barrel pick, they're actually pretty good.
Actually
Pretty good. I'm surprised. I'm just kidding. No, they're honestly, I had a hard time picking between both of them. So
yeah, so she did try samples, and unfortunately I don't have any more samples left to share with anybody else, but we did have a lot of fun. I will actually leave links to everybody who got a sample, get their own kind of review on it, so that way you can hear from other people, not just from us. You know, we could be biased, right? That way you hear from other people. Do you remember which one was your favorite?
Honestly, there is like pretty neck and neck, and it's hard to pick.
Yeah, and honestly, so it's kind of funny she's saying that because when I put this out there for samples to be given out, it was actually pretty 50-50. Now, Calvados was the overall general group consensus, but that Cognac was my favorite. It had a little bit extra to it. So yeah, so make sure to join, make sure to buy a bottle. Once you buy, you're automatically entered, and we're gonna be stopping that on March 16th on a live. Woo! Lot to go on. Yes. All right, guys. Hope to see you there. Thank you for joining me on another journey on my whiskey rabbit hole.
Till our next journey, our friends.
Cheers.